Hey, I'm Megan with WTI, and I'm always looking for different ways to reduce my carbon footprint in the world, as well as I like making just small changes in my life to create a better, healthier lifestyle. And I gotta tell you, I'm super happy with this Santevia water pitcher because it does both those things for me. Now, I'm gonna tell you right now that as soon as I tasted the water in this pitcher, I noticed an immediate difference, and I'm not putting that on. It tasted cleaner, clearer, crisper. There's just something about it that is hard to describe, but I did definitely notice a difference. Not only does this pitcher filter out the bad things in your water like chlorine and lead, but it puts back in essential minerals like calcium and magnesium. This is going to raise the pH level in your water and create a better alkaline level for you to drink. So if you want a water filtration that's a step above the rest, I definitely recommend this pitcher by Santevia, and that's my point of view.